The first step in setting up WordPress on Microsoft Azure is to create your own Microsoft Azure account. And the easiest way to do that is to simply go to azure.microsoft.com and clicking on the free trial button. This allows you to set up a free 1-month trial so you can test out Azure and see if it works for your particular purposes and if you like this way of hosting your site. To get started, click on the Try It Now button. And then you need to sign in using your Microsoft account. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you need to set one up. And you do so by going down here to the bottom of the screen where it says Don't have a Microsoft account? Sign up now. A Microsoft account does not have to be an live.com account or a hotmail.com account or a microsoft.com account. Any email address can become a Microsoft account. You simply go and sign up for the account, then use your regular email address and verify it through your regular email service. And that way, Microsoft will tie your email address to your Microsoft account, and that email address will become the login for your Microsoft Azure account as well. Once you have a Microsoft account, you can sign in to start the process of setting up your Azure account. I'm using a Gmail account as my Microsoft account because I've set up a Gmail account as my Microsoft sign-in. Once you've signed in, you need to fill out some basic information to start your free trial. Here you start off by filling in your first and last name and the country or region that you reside in. And this is important because it'll decide what servers you're going to use later. Then you have to use a contact email, and you can choose if you want to add a company name as well. Next, you need to set up mobile verification. And this is so that Microsoft can check that you're actually who you say you are and that you're actually doing this right now, that you're not a computer just setting this up at random. Put in a mobile phone number here and click Send Text Message. And Microsoft will almost immediately send you a text message with a verification code that you can then type in. Once you have the code, click Verify Code. Your mobile verification is now complete, and in the next step, you need to provide payment information. Now, this is, of course, a free trial. So what will happen here is they're just using your credit card information to verify that you are who you say you are. They won't actually charge anything to your credit card unless you explicitly allow them to do that. Meaning, if you run your free trial and you get to the end of the month and you don't do anything, your free trial will simply expire and you will lose your account. So here I'm going to type in my credit card information. And once you've filled out your payment information, all you need to do is agree to the Windows Azure Agreement, offer details, and privacy statement, and decide whether you want to get emails from Microsoft and from Windows Azure, and finally click Sign Up. Once the sign-up process is completed, you land on the account.windowsazure.com site, where you get all the information about your account. This is where you can see your subscriptions, and as you can see, I currently only have the free trial subscription. It's active, and it expires in 30 days. And here you also see that to continue using this after 30 days and paying for the service, I actively have to upgrade my service from a free trial to something else. So like I said before, you're not going to be charged anything even if you forget about your account. You'll only be charged if you actively tell Microsoft that you want to upgrade to another account. Now that your subscription is in place, you have the free trial activated, you can click on the portal link. And this takes you to the Azure portal. Here you start out with a simple walkthrough of the entire service. So you can click your way through this. It tells you where the different options are hidden and what you can do. And once you've finished the introduction, you're taken directly to the manage.windowsazure.com site, where you manage your Azure services. And this is where we're going to set up our new WordPress site.